Musamseleku says he will fight back Makhumalo. The director was asking, until when you are fighting with Makhumalo? Until Makhumalo accept Makwela. Imagine, for all the wives, he can't fight with Mayeni, with Mangwabe. Those people, Mayeni and Mangwabe, he is trying to fix things between the two of them. Makhumalo have to open her eyes. Imagine, guys, even Makhumalo's parents, they are watching Utando Nestembu. Her husband was saying for all the wives, you know that people, they have to know to be married on polygamy. That is very hard when you are the only wife, your husband doesn't love you, but your husband loves other wives. When it comes to Mayeni and Mangwabe, he can beg them, trying to fix things, because we saw Musamseleku, the way he was talking with his wives, the way he was talking to Mayeni, the way he was talking to Mangwabe, he was putting a smile to them. But when it comes to Makhumalo, he was very serious, and he said he will fight back Makhumalo. And Makhumalo is still staying in that marriage because she is being forced to accept Makwela. You know that Mangwabe write a message and block Musamseleku last time Musamseleku was introducing his kids. Why Musamseleku didn't accept to Mangwabe? Mangwabe always insulting Musamseleku every time. But when it comes to Makhumalo, he said he will fight back Makhumalo. And we are staying in that relationship. Makhumalo didn't listen to us, didn't listen. Even the director saw it. That man is not in love. He is not in love with Makhumalo at all. And Makhumalo is still staying in that relationship. For what, guys? Imagine, guys, your husband is saying those words. Musamseleku doesn't love Makhumalo. Even people, we can say what we want to say or what. But that relationship can't be fixed. Because Musamseleku, what he wants is to accept Makhumalo, to accept Makwela, and then he can ask Makhumalo money, what to help here. Because when Makhumalo, you know that a person who is not in love with you, that person, when he asks you that, when they want, or he want sex with you, and you refuse to give them what they want, they will leave you. You understand? Because that man doesn't love you. But a man loves you. He can put his effort even to fix the relationship. Makhumalo, sometimes when she is staying, maybe she is staying for content. I don't understand. Maybe it's for content only. Because there is no marriage on Makhumalo, guys. There is no marriage on Makhumalo. Even we saw it since long time ago. But Makhumalo is refusing to saw it. Makhumalo have to open her eyes, because he says, until she accepts Makwela, I will never stop put a fight. Imagine the strong word that he said, fight. Fight with your wife. Why he can't fight with Mayeni? Why he can't fight with Mangwabe? He says to Mayeni, I love you until the death. When he says to Mayeni, when he was talking with his sisters, with Mayeni, you understand? He says to Mayeni, I love you until death. Until death. To Mangwabe, he says, Mangwabe is mother of my kids. I love Mangwabe, what. When it comes to Makhumalo, I put a fight. And we are staying in that marriage, Makhumalo. Imagine, it hurts us, Makhumalo, to see you. And those people, they are doing for content. But it's not a movie that those things are happening, guys. Utando Nestembu. It's not a movie. It's a reality show. You understand it? It hurts us. You know that those reality shows, like the way Musamseleku is treating Makhumalo, even most of the people, we are being affected in that marriage. Even other men are being affected to see Makhumalo in such a situation. You understand it? Makhumalo have to leave. It's better, guys. Even guys, it doesn't mean anything. Musamseleku is doing it for content, but Musamseleku, he is hating us again. He is saying those words to Makhumalo. You say you put a fight to Makhumalo. Makhumalo was helping you to pay the bills of you. Makhumalo raise your child. You are saying you put a fight to her. Imagine, guys, your men want to revenge you. What? Imagine. It hurts us, Makhumalo, because it's better that woman to leave the marriage, because people we are hating, it's not a movie. We say it's a movie, it's a Nigerian movie. It's a reality show, guys. Those people, they don't pretend. We saw Makhumalo was crying. Imagine, guys, your husband say you put a fight